Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a TikTok account in under a few minutes. So I'm gonna run you through the entire step on how to create a TikTok account. All you need is the TikTok app on your phone, which you can download from the App Store or Google Play Store, and you need to make sure that you have a Gmail available. Now, in order to create your TikTok account, all you need to do is open the TikTok app. The second you open the app, you will get to this screen where you're going to log into TikTok. However, that's not what we're going to do. We're going to create a new account. We're going to do that by clicking on sign up here at the bottom of our page. Now what we can do is we can sign up for a TikTok account using our phone, email, Facebook, app or Google, Twitter. However, we are going to use our email. So now that you clicked on email, you need to type in your birthday. This is so TikTok can verify that you are old enough to actually use the app. I would recommend that you say that you're at least 18 years old, even though you maybe aren't 18. If you say that you're at least 18 years old, this means that you have access to all TikTok features. Alright, click on next, and now we're going to sign up using our email. So what we're going to do is we're going to head into our Gmail app or Apple email, doesn't really matter, and make sure that you type in your email. So mine is that's facts tutorials, and then you can simply add gmail.com. And now you want to click on next. Now you need to create a password for your Gmail, for your TikTok account, of course. So make sure that you create one that you can remember and don't share this one to anyone. Alright, so now I created my password, and now what we're going to do is we're going to click on next. Now you need to do a small caption or captcha in order to actually prove that you are a human and not a bot trying to spam the TikTok servers. It's really easy to complete this captcha, shouldn't take that long. Alright, now we need to create a nickname for our TikTok account. This is how people can find us and how you will be seen in the comment sections of other people. So make sure that you choose a good nickname that you think is good, funny or whatever. It doesn't really matter. Then you want to click on confirm, and you can literally see right now that we are already in the TikTok app, and that is all we need to do in order to create a TikTok account. Now, in order to actually change your username, what you want to do is you want to click on edit profile, because TikTok gives you a random username based on your nickname. So I would recommend changing your username, because most of the time they add some random numbers to it which you don't want. So I would just recommend changing it immediately, and then you can simply click on save, set username, and now your entire TikTok account is created. You can add a profile picture if you want to, but your TikTok account is created and you can now watch, even post videos. So that's how you can create a TikTok account in under a few minutes. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.